Wall Street continues to hit all-time highs, brushing off President Trump's tariff threats. It's Thursday, the 10th of July, and this is what you need to know. Signs are continuing to grow that traders are becoming more indifferent to President Trump's trade blitz. Stocks rode the high from Nvidia's brief rise to a $4 trillion valuation on Wednesday, pushing the Nasdaq to close at an all-time high. President Trump launched his trade assault into overdrive, announcing a 50% trade levy on Brazil. That's the highest so far. President Trump also announced that the US will impose a 50% tariff on copper imports on August 1st, a move that will hurt American producers of everything from autos to appliances. Let's look at Bitcoin, our chart of the day. The original cryptocurrency surged past $112,000 for the first time ever. A key US Senate panel took up debate on Wednesday over the proposed regulation of digital assets. That's as President Trump's crypto-friendly policies have bolstered prices. Facing a September 30th legislation deadline, Republicans called for a soft approach, while Democrats warned of the potential loopholes. The Fed released the minutes of their June meeting late on Wednesday, revealing a wide divide on rate cuts this year. Some officials saw no interest rate cuts for the rest of 2025, while two were open for easing as soon as this month. Policymakers pointed to considerable uncertainty about the possible tariff effects on inflation. Officials will now look to the release of the June Consumer Price Index due next Tuesday. Our number of the day is 39%. That's the quarterly rise in revenue for TSMC, surpassing expectations. The world's largest contract chipmaker benefited from renewed enthusiasm from Apple and Nvidia. Investors have piled back into AI-linked companies, shaking off fears spurred by China's DeepSeek earlier this year. Our stock of the day is Amazon. The Financial Times reported that the company is weighing another multi-billion-dollar investment in Anthropic, deepening its AI alliance. Amazon has already plowed $8 billion in the AI model builder. In other news, Amazon Prime Day sales fell 14% in the first 4 hours of the event compared with last year, though shoppers could be holding off for deeper discounts ahead. And that's what you need to know this morning.